Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do these heart Valentine's nails. So I have a fresh set of Gel X nails on. I went ahead and went back to my pointed stiletto nails. The first color we're going to use is Loyal. This is from the new Madame Glam Amore Tints collection. It is a off-white with a drop of pink in it. I'm going to paint this on the ring finger. Our hearts beat. Next, I'm going to go in with Berry Blush. This is a bright Barbie pink. I'm going to go ahead and paint this on my pinky and my pointer finger. City streets, we began to feel the fire. And finally going in with Glazed Amore. This is a pink leaf gel formula. I'm going to paint this on my middle finger and my thumb. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of these colors. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We want to chase the night, want to dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with my heart design. I'm going to go ahead and cleanse the white nail. Then I'm going to take my palette, I'm going to put down the bright Barbie pink, the metallic leaf pink, and then I'm also pulling out Amore, which is my favorite shade of red from Madame Glam. We're going to put this all down on a palette, and we're going to use a couple different dotting tools and a small brush to do the hearts. So I just start by creating two dots. I don't quite put them right next to each other, but two dots slightly beside each other, and then you bring the brush and bring the two dots down to a point, and you fill it in and you have an easy heart. So I just went ahead and I switched off my colors and I did some scattered hearts all over the nail, so you can watch me kind of go back and forth between the colors and the sizes and the angles I do on the hearts. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. We'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. Two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna
And here's how my nails came out. They are very pink, very bright, perfect for Valentine's Day. They were kind of inspired by my background paper here. I did like the look of the kind of scattered hearts in a couple different shades. So that's what we went off of, and I had to use a bunch of the colors from the Amore Tints collection. I will leave a link to that collection swatches down below. Definitely go check it out. It is an amazing Valentine's Day collection from Madam Glam. Make sure this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorial videos. Make sure you subscribe for more videos coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.